All right, I just got my WAWAK order in. Get this nice thank you card. WAWAK since 1907. And this is a great place to get your sewing supplies. So I will go through what I just ordered. And if you order over, I think it's $99, I can't remember exactly, you get free shipping. So I'm pretty sure, let me see what my balance was, if they give that to me. I don't think they give that to me on my invoice here. I'd have to look. I ordered $100 worth of stuff. So first of all, I want to just give you a little tip. So this paper that comes into these boxes from Amazon and other companies, if you can leave it like this, but I don't like it like that. But I'll flatten it out and roll it up and use it for my packaging. Saves a lot of money and you're recycling. So I got my elastic. So my elastic is what I use for my scrunchies. So this is the one that I use to make my scrunchies with. It's the non-roll, and let me tell you how many yards you got. Hold on, let me get, these are all my zippers. I got a bunch of zippers, so I have to go through all these pages for the zippers. So this one is elastic. Okay, so this is knitted non-roll elastic, 3/8 by 70 yards. So I buy 70 yards and I bought 2 of those, and they are, can't remember how much they're $23.85 each if you buy more than one. And so you can see it's elastic knit non-roll. It's a super good price. I like buying them from an American company like that, so it's kind of cool. Then I also got got the polypropylene webbing. This I'm using for some of my tote bags, not all of them. A lot of them I use fabric on, but there's some that I want to use these on, so I got 2 of these for tote bags. And those are, let's see how much those were. Now they're all just, I'm sorry, I have so many zippers that it's hard to find anything else. Well, let's see. Machine needles I got already. Non-coil, it's all my zippers. There's some there. Oh, here we go. So I got 2 and they were $5.85 each. Oh, you know what I didn't get? I didn't get my, oh, I wonder if I didn't order it. I thought I did. I'm supposed to get my tape, disappearing tape. I don't see it. Okay, and then we have this bag here, and I got my Schmetz, bunch of Schmetz needles that I needed. So I got my Microtex at 10s, I got my jeans, I got my Microtex at the bigger ones, I think these are, and then I got more jeans at 12, size 12, and then I got some universals that I needed. But I like to just stock up on them, especially since I'm going to be sewing. I got a couple of my Gutermann white threads that I like. These are super good price as well. Those needles, by the way, were different prices and they were on sale so I went to a quilting store. I got to tell you, I went to a quilting store. Or these, let me get my Microtex sharp ones. And I bought Microtex sharps because I needed them right then and there. And they were almost $6. And these ones are when you get them from WAWAK, are $2.98. My jean needles were $3.69. So if you need Schmetz needles, you can't beat those prices. And then the thread, yeah, unfortunately, I went there to buy the wash away tape and totally forgot to put it in my cart, I guess. Or maybe I thought I put it in the cart and I didn't. Well, that's a bummer because that's what I really needed it right now for some of my tote bags that I'm making. Yikes, where's my Gutermann? Oh, so my Gutermann threads are $4.95 each, which is also a good price. And then I got all these zippers. So I was gonna buy the rolls, but since I don't know yet, let me dump these out of the box and put them here on the table. It'll be a little bit easier for us to see. I'm not gonna go through them all, obviously. That would be silly, but anyway, so I got a whole Ziploc. I got a lot of zippers because they're like 15 cents, 24 cents. A lot of them were 24 cents. I think all of the ones that I got like one color of, these were 24 cents. And I got anywhere between, different sizes. These are for the makeup bags. So I got 9 inches and they're number 3 they're YKK zippers. So I always say Y2K, but they're YKK zippers, which are the best zippers in the world, by the way. They're all made in Japan, and that company in Japan is the best zipper company in the entire world. So make sure, there's a lady on Etsy who also sells these. So if you're not going to buy, if you can't buy stuff from WAWAK, you can go to her site, and she has a contract with YKK, and she sells the zippers in bulk like this as well. So I knew I was going to use a lot of this color, and of course, I'm going to use a lot of white and my favorite colors, of course, which are going to be my purples and such. So I got a bunch of these, and they were all 24 cents each. So if you buy over a certain amount, the price goes down and down and down. So you can get them for less and less. But I think that all of mine were like 24 because I don't need like 100 right now. So that was it, and I am so bummed. The wash away tape was a super good price, and I totally don't even have it on this list here. Oh, what a bummer. Okay, well, I have to go back online and order that then and just pay for the shipping because I don't really need $100 worth of stuff right now. Anyway, so that's from WAWAK. So you can see the company. It's WAWAK. You can find them online. They don't have an affiliate program or anything like that, but I just love buying from them. So hopefully this helps you make some decisions on what you should be buying and where online.